Hi, I'm Tom Mills with Tree Pro. I'm here to show you today how to install our Miracle Tube protector. Our Miracle Tube has a couple different things on it. We've got a rolled top at the top to protect the seedling from any kind of bad rub against sharp plastic. We've got 2 zip ties to attach it to the stake, and we have venting on the top half. You always want to have the vent holes on top so you can spray your herbicide spray, if that's what you'd like to do for your field, on the bottom. When you go to install the tube, you plant the tree first, obviously, then you put the stake in. I've already done those to save time. Our stake, 5-foot stake for a 5-foot tube, 4-foot stake for a 4-foot tube. Our tubes have enough plastic they don't need a stake all the way to the top. You put that stake in the ground about 14 inches just so you can get to that top zip tie. When you go to install the tube, you just slide the zip tie right over the top of the stake, grab your seedling, make sure it's centered in the middle, slide her down, and then get your top zip tie around. Before you tighten the zip ties, give the top a nice pat to get a good seal around the base. Look down, make sure your seedling didn't get caught in the zip ties. Sometimes that can happen. And then pull the zip ties tight. The last thing you do is you install the bird net protector. That keeps the birds from falling into the tube. Usually it's from chasing insects. If you like bird net protectors with your tree tubes over 36 inches, just ask for them when you place your order. Slide it right over the top. It should stay, it's elastic. If you have any other questions or need any more information, check out treepro.com, and our phone number and email addresses are also up there for you to contact us. Thanks and have a great day.